Monroe Steele here from Fashion Steele NYC, and welcome back to my channel. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you love fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel content. Today I have a really fun video for you guys. I'm going to be styling the only 5 pair of jeans you need in your wardrobe. You heard it here first. We're gonna go through mom jeans, white jeans, boyfriend jeans, black jeans, and finally wide leg jeans. So if you want to see how I style them and a few of my favorite pair in my wardrobe, stay tuned. And as always, if you're looking to shop any of the things mentioned in this video, you can find everything down below in the description box, or you can download the Like to Know It app and follow me at Monroe Steele to shop my Instagram, shop my YouTube, shop my blog. Everything that I post, I always post there as well, and it has direct links to everything, so you can buy it directly from the app instead of like having to look through the description box or look through a blog post. I make it super easy for you guys. Without further ado, let's get to the good stuff. We're gonna start with mom jeans because currently mom jeans are my favorite jeans to wear. I love that they are high-waisted. They usually have a smaller waist and a wider hip ratio, which is great for me because I have a tiny waist and I have hips and I have a butt. Mom jeans allow for you to have that tiny waist and still have room for your hips and your butt and your thighs. And I also really love that mom jeans are usually cropped, and I love a great cropped jean because I want to show off my shoes. Like, I want to show off my boots in the winter time and in the fall, and I want to show off my sandals and my pumps in the spring and in the summer. So let's start with a few of my favorite pairs of mom jeans. So first up, we have this pair of mom jeans that I'm wearing right now. I absolutely love these mom jeans. I actually picked them up maybe a week or two ago from H&M. I was perusing their website and I saw these and I gave them a shot. These are the only H&M pair of jeans that I own because for a while their sizing was kind of all over the place, but they have really stepped their game up. What attracted me to these denim jeans was definitely the piping that they have on the back of the leg. I think it's just so retro, so cool. I got my regular size, a size 6. These jeans are the divided jeans and they fit absolutely perfectly. They are high-waisted. They kind of sit right above your navel. They suck everything in, your little pouch there, and then they just fit perfectly in the hips and in the waist and also in the thighs. I have very thick thighs for my frame, so they don't smother my thighs, which I love. They're also cropped. I can wear them with a nice sandal. I actually paired them with this beautiful crepe tank top that I also got from H&M. I actually saw this in someone's haul that I was watching on YouTube and I knew I had to have it. I actually bought 2 because they are that good. I knew that I was gonna love it and like I was gonna wear this one into the ground. It's kind of like a pale yellow taupe color. They also had this in white. If I can find it for you guys, I will link it down below, but it did sell out, so if it's gone, y'all, I'm sorry, it's gone. But how I styled it is with these beautiful Lele Sedoughi earrings that I wear all the time. They are the paint splatter and gold embellishment earrings. I went with this little And Other Stories bulb ring. I think this ring is still available. It's one of my favorites. For the shoes, I of course went with my new Bottega mesh sandals that you would have seen in my birthday video. It's the nude mesh ones. I also have them in black and I just love how this whole look came together. I feel like it's super chic. It's just a great way to wear a pair of mom jeans is with a very kind of form-fitting top. A tank top is very great. You know, Target has some amazing tank tops for like next to nothing. I love their tank tops as well. Really loving how this outfit came together. So now that we've done mom jeans, next up we have white jeans. Now I feel like a pair of white jeans is something that every woman needs in her wardrobe. White denim jeans are just so chic. The color white just instantly elevates any look, and so if you're not really a denim kind of girl but still want to look chic and be comfortable, I would go for a white pair of denim jeans. Now my favorite pair of white denim jeans is from the brand Goldie. You guys, I know you've heard of them. They are just killing it when it comes to denim jeans, and I am loving these white denim distressed jeans. They're pretty straight leg, a little bit wide leg, but I love just rolling them up and wearing them with some of my favorite tops in the spring and summertime. These are my go-tos for the spring and summer months, and when I wear white jeans, I like to wear more white. I know that might be weird. Like, I either like to do off-white or neutrals or nudes. I feel like it just works and pairs really well with white denim jeans. This is one of my favorite outfits where I wore these white denim jeans. I wore, I think, some Tibby fringe mules and like a top similar to this but in white, and that was literally one of my favorite looks I've ever created. So of course today we're gonna style these white jeans up in a similar manner with either a white tank top like the one I have from Target, or a white kind of linen see-through top that I got from And Other Stories, and some form of white shoe, either my white BCBG mules or maybe even my Lido mules that are kind of a nude color from Bottega Veneta. So let's see how that looks. Alright guys, so for this first white denim look with these Goldie jeans that are distressed, I kind of went ahead and went with a white top. This is actually a white linen blend top from And Other Stories, and I love this top. I think it's perfect for spring and summer. It's light, it's easy breezy, it really gives you that kind of model off-duty look. Of course, went with my white BCBG mules. If I can find these online, I'll link them. I know they pop up every now and then. Until then, I will put a similar kind. The necklace is the M necklace from Oscar de la Renta. I really just love how relaxed and chic this look looks. Even though these denim jeans are distressed, the fact that they are white just instantly elevates the look. So with this next look, we still have on the white Goldie jeans, but this time I paired it with my Bottega Veneta Lido mules in like the neutral nude color. And then I went with this tank top. It's a super thick, very well made tank top from Target, and it was only like $5 because it was on sale, but I will link it down below. This top is a size medium, by the way, and I think these jeans are a size 28. I actually think I like this look more than the first look. What do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know which of the white denim jeans look you like the most. The first one with the And Other Stories linen blend top, or the second one with this Target tank top. Alright guys, so next up we have the wide leg jean, and yes, you should have a wide leg jean in your wardrobe. For me, I love a super wide leg jean, and you all have seen these paper bag waist denim super wide leg jean from Something by Sonjia. I absolutely love these jeans. They might be my favorite pair of jeans period, because every time I wear them I get so many compliments. They're very well made, and because it's so high-waisted, the wide legs are really exaggerated. I like to balance that out by wearing something very like tiny on top, very form-fitting on top. This would probably go well with it, this top from H&M. But I absolutely love wearing these with a crop top because I feel like it shows off the paper bag waist a little bit better. So I'm gonna pair this with one of my favorite crop tops from Urban Outfitters, and I have a bunch of these little crop tops. I have them in nude, I have them in black, I have them in white, and I also have a similar little crop top that I just got in from Zara. You guys saw this in a recent new in haul, this little bubble top. Anything like that I think would go really great with these denim jeans. And then for the shoe, of course, I would probably go with a cool mule or something really fun. So let's put an outfit together and see how we like it. All right guys, so here we have my wide leg jeans from Something by Sonia. They are also paper bag waist. A lot of you actually bought these jeans. I got the size medium and I probably could have gotten a small, but I actually like how the medium fits. I went ahead and paired it with this little bubble top from Zara that you would have seen in my most recent new in video. I actually love how it looks so super unique. For the shoes, I went with the Gia x Pernil Testback. The little mules, they're a supple brown leather. These actually come in white, like an off-white and a darker brown color. They are true to size. I got the size 41 and I love this look. Like I wish outside would open back up so I could wear it. Next up we have the black denim jean. Yes, you need a black denim jean just as much as you need a white denim jean, even if you only have one pair, which is, for me, I only have one pair of black denim jeans in my entire wardrobe. But it's just for those nights, usually nights when you need to be comfy yet cute, that I find that a black denim jean is needed. So for mine, I love these vintage Levi black denim jeans. I cannot remember when or where I got these from. Like, let me just be honest. There are a lot of places online that sell vintage Levi's, so I will find a few places online and link them for you down below if I can find them. But these are just a vintage pair of Levi jeans and they're the 550. It says a size 10 regular medium, so of course they're vintage. That's more like a size 6 today. Now when I wear these denim jeans, I'm going for that model off duty, very cool, very edgy, very chic type of look. So I love pairing these jeans with like a crisp button down or a white linen button down. My favorite one in my wardrobe right now is from H&M. You guys have seen me wear this white linen top 100 million times. That's because I have 3 of them. It is my absolute favorite button-up top in my wardrobe. I usually get the size 10 even though I'm a size 6 because I like it to be oversized, and then I like to tuck it crisscross. Let's put a few looks together with these black vintage Levi jeans and see how we like it. Alright guys, so here we have my favorite pair of black vintage Levi's. I love vintage Levi jeans because they are very small in the waist, but they still have enough room for your hips and for your thighs, and I absolutely love these. I rolled them up so that they kind of show off my shoes, and for the shoes I went with my Chanel Pearl Mules. Love these and don't wear them enough. I just love the look of these shoes with the black tip paired with these black jeans. I think it's super chic and simple and kind of understated. For the top, I went with my favorite H&M linen top. I tell you guys about this top all the time. It comes in and out of stock, but I will put a link down to it below, and just keep checking that link until you find it because they do restock it often. Like I said, I usually get the size 10, which is about 3 sizes bigger than I usually get, so that I can tuck it in crisscross like this. And guys, there's no trick. Like, I just wear tight jeans and I tuck it crisscross and it stays. Like, if it doesn't stay for you, I don't know what to tell you. I'm not tucking it into my underwear. Literally, the front of the shirt is just tucked in here, and because the jeans are well fit, the shirt just stays that way. For the necklace, I went with this Adornia necklace. It is actually a custom necklace with my name on it in different gold letters. This also comes in silver, and you can get your own made. Head on over to adornia.com. There's a link down below, and then you can use my code STEELE20 for 20% off of your order. And of course, I went with these beautiful kind of thick gold hoop earrings from Ana Luisa. I worked with them recently, and I also have a coupon code for them as well, so that you can shop and use your discount code. Really liking how this look turned out. What do you think? last but not least, we have a good pair of boyfriend denim jeans. I love a good boyfriend jean. My favorite ones right now are the Goldie jeans. You guys have seen these so many times. I know you're probably sick of them, but they are very amazing quality, kind of like very relaxed fit. These kinds of jeans are the ones that hang off your hips. They do not sit up on the smallest part of your hips. They do have these, I think at Revolve, at Shopbop, and a few other places. I will link them down below. I got the size 29, which is a little bit too big for me. I probably could have gotten a 28 or even a 27, but it's fine. It has this crisscross here, which is really the best part of these jeans, and they button up. So I love these jeans. I like wearing them also with just like a plain button up. Let's put some looks together and see how we like it. So when it comes to boyfriend jeans, I hardly ever dress them down. I almost always dress them up because I love the juxtaposition of like a very boyish jean, very much elevated. And so I paired these Goldie jeans with my new Manolo Hangisi pumps in yellow. These are the 105mm heels. They are the tallest ones, and I absolutely love these. I got these for my birthday, and I cannot wait to wear them in the world. Like, I love that silver detailing on that buckle. I don't have a lot of silver, so this is gonna motivate me to get more silver jewelry. And for the top, I just went with this Stellan top that I picked up from Need Supply last year. I love this top. It has kind of like that bustier type of feel, very wide sleeves, and then I love that it's off the shoulder like this, so that touch of shoulder just adds a little bit more femininity to this look. For the earrings, I went with these silver BCBG earrings, mainly because these are like the only silver earrings I have. If you guys watch my statement jewelry video collection, you will see that I don't have many silver earrings. I love how this look came together. I think it's a great way to wear boyfriend jeans. Alright guys, so that was a quick look at how I style the 5 pair of jeans you will ever need. Mom jeans, white jeans, wide leg jeans, black jeans, and boyfriend jeans, along with styling a few of my favorites. All of the outfit details can be found down below in the description box. I am a size 6 or a size 28 or a size medium in everything that I bought. Let me know which denim style of jean is your favorite. For me, it's definitely a good mom jean. Let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe so that you never miss a video, and hit that little notification bell so that anytime I upload, you will never miss a new video. All right guys, see you next time. Bye.